I have for you What in the World? Numbers and Nature. Math and Nature. It's written by Nancy Rains Day and illustrated by Kurt Cirrus. And I am going to go ahead and take the cover off because I have such a hard time reading books when the book jacket's on there. So I'm going to take it off, set it aside there. What in the world comes one by one? There's only one moon in the world. Can only count one. There's only one Earth. Can only count one of those. Think of some other things come one by one in the world. A nose. People only have one. A mouth. Only one. The moon. The sun. Skip some lines here. What in the world comes 2 by 2? A pair of birds with wings of blue. What else comes in twos? How about legs on a person? Hands. What in the world comes in groups of 3? Leaves of clover. Bodies of bees. Head, thorax, abdomen. They have 3 parts on their body. And most clovers have 1, 2, 3. You get the rare 4-leaf clover. So what in the world comes 4 by 4? Petals of poppies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hooves. 1, 2, 3, 4. And more. Think of some things that only come in 4s. What in the world comes 5 by 5? The arms of sea stars, all alive. What in the world comes 6 by 6? The twiggy legs of walking sticks. All insects have 6 legs, right? Remember that from our insect study? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What else comes 6 by 6? What in the world are there 7 of? Colors of the rainbow arched above. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple. 7. What in the world comes 8 by 8? Think back to our bug unit. Got it? Octopus, limbs that undulate. I was thinking of the spider's legs. There's 8 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What in the world comes in groups of 9? Stickleback fishes, prickly spines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a new fact for me. I didn't know that one. What in the world comes 10 by 10? Fingers and toes that wiggle and bend. We all have Oh, you can't see my thumb. 10 fingers, 10 toes. And what comes in sets too big to count? Stars in the sky. It's a vast amount. Vast means too many to count. What else is there too many to count in the world? What in the world? So after reading about that and talking about it, how about you go outside and take a look and see what you can find outside? See if you can find some things to count outside that comes in groups of, right? So hooves on an animal, wings on a bird. And then go ahead and make us a picture, okay? I went ahead and started one here. It says, I see 2 birds. So I've gone outside and I counted 2 birds. And I drew 2 birds up there. I'm gonna number them too. 1, 2. Then I wrote, I see 5 flowers. I saw 5 orange poppy flowers outside. And I number those too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Practicing my numbers from writing earlier. All right. Think of a third one on your own. I mean, all of these should be on your own. See if you can think of, there are too many to count. What is there too many to count of? I have an idea of something outside that there's too many for me to count. How many of these things are on out in the world? All right. And then have mom and dad take a picture and send that to us.